That's the new.
What's up, guys? I'm Gaby and this is my sister Alice, and we are two sisters. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. And today we're gonna be doing the mini slime challenge. Now it's the time to do the mini Nutella. And no one ever done a mini Nutella like this.
Yeah.
Here's the Nutella compared to my hand.
Or you can just choose colours that are brown.
Okay, so now we're gonna have to make the Nutella. I don't know.
I'm picking this one.
Alice, which glue are you gonna choose? The white glue or the clear glue?
I'm choosing the white glue.
The white glue?
Yeah. What?
No.
That's
No.
the new.
No.
You
no.
better. No! You're gonna kill yourself.
Yes. Rapper, help me.
Okay, Rapper just killed you.
Rapper killed me. Okay,
Just leave it like that.
just leave it like that. Maybe
My
not leave
spoon.
that there.
It's all in glue.
Okay, Alice, here's your white glue.
But I'm.
And we're gonna have to like pour it for a little time. Literally, I want this much. I want this much. No.
Can't want it that much. Get it away from me.
That's too much, Alice.
But I need it that much because I want it.
Okay, I'm gonna grab my food coloring.
But I wanted my colour.
It's the same thing, Alice, but this one has a different like thingy. There you go.
Thanks.
This one's like more Nutella colour. It's coffee. Okay, I'm gonna put one little drop. No! Why does everything fall?
I think I'm gonna be the winner because look.
Look at that. That's chocolate milk, Alice.
Yeah, that was chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk colour. This is a mini slime.
I need that. Okay.
It's gonna be clear. No.
I'm gonna be the winner because my sister is so late to do that. Look at my one.
I only added a bit of white glue into mine because white glue doesn't have that much texture as Nutella.
I just think I just dropped that. No, let me put that there. Just dropped it. I have to squeeze this.
Don't think this is the right colour for Nutella. But
I think I'm
let's
going to be the
do
winner
it.
because my sister's so late to do that. And I'm going to be the winner. That's why I'm doing the specialist girl ever. And that's why.
Okay, I'm going to put as one drop. Oh, I put 2 drops. Don't worry, slime, I'll fix you if you get not the colour that we wanted.
And
Don't know.
oh my god, that's going to be the perfect colour ever.
Oh my god, I need this.
You need so much colour.
That much.
I'm going to be the winner because look at my slime. It's so good. And specialist. I'm going to use a little bit of this one to work.
Okay.
Okay, we need coffee and the milk too to make it so
No, I don't
special.
think this is brown yet. Why do I keep on thinking that?
Okay, I needed this colour. Look at my slime. Look at my slime. It looks perfect here. But in a minute, I'm going to just close out because I was literally just opening.
I need more white glue because this is going to be like not.
And I need some more glue. I need some more of this. I don't just put that in my. Okay, that's the last drop.
I need that much.
I don't like on my finger. Okay, that's gonna be the perfect colour ever. Look at my colour. Look at your colour. Let's see, are they the same? One's different.
Why is it different?
Because I'm using like of this colour, and it is a little bit more. Let's white glue. You need white glue, not of it. It'll be the perfect colour ever. Yep, that's gonna be the perfect ever colour. And we're gonna be back.
Yeah, we're gonna be back in 3, 2, 1, boom! And Nutella is ready! And I'm just making mine. And mine was just literally just like poo and look, slime. And it's ready. And my one looks like poo in the toilet. Okay, put it in your little container. What did I do?
It's a kicked. I don't know how I'm gonna take it out of that.
It's sticky!
I'm just taking it out. Normal.
It's normal size is crazy.
Oh my god. It's just going all around. Maybe I have too big slime. So but I'm gonna put it in a big one. Don't like it.
Oopsie.
Look, it's tiger.
I need activator to activate my hands.
Can you give me some activator on my hands?
Okay, now I have to unstick the thing so it can look nice. Okay, and now let's try the reel. Let's see the reel. Wait. There you go, there's the small Nutella. Let's see the real Nutella. That's literally the same colour. Look at that. Alice, now let's see your Nutella.
Yeah.
Now you have to grab the little thingamajiggy.
Your container with the slime in.
Is it me?
I didn't close my one.
I actually don't think it's anyone.
But I think it's me.
I stepped in jelly again! I think it was Alice this round. Next round! The strawberry jelly. Okay, so let's get started. Okay.
I'm gonna pour in already this.
No, I'm gonna pour in first the glue. So we have to get the amount that was in the little thing, majiggy. And we have a mystery box right there.
Yeah.
Just right at the front, and you can't see my finger because it's right down there. Okay. I need for it to stop. There you go. And you need glue.
Yeah, pour it in.
Can you pour it in?
Ew, that's disgusting.
Wait, don't put too much in. Is that enough?
Yeah. Yeah. Get off.
Okay.
And now we can pour in this.
The food colouring. And I'm going to grab this one. Okay, let's shake it up, shake it up. I'm using the cherry.
I'm choosing
I think I'm going to only put
flower.
the pink. Alice, I don't think that's good. So you need a red, and I have the red.
No. Oh, yeah, it is. It's
There you go. You
It's
can
red.
use the cherry one. I'll mix this up, see what colour this turns out. Definitely is lighter.
Like
Okay,
that much.
not much.
And I'm gonna make...
I don't think that's...
I'm gonna win.
So
Because
I love this beautiful colour.
Hey, maybe I need some more.
The jelly? I don't know. I don't think this is how jelly goes.
It has to go like this.
And maybe a tiny little drop of brown.
No, this is brown.
This is brown too.
So we've got
No,
two
that's
brown.
coffee brown. And we need coconut brown.
That's coconut brown.
Yeah, this is coconut brown. And we need coconut brown. So let's just
But then pass it to me so
the
I can...
most tiniest drop I can ever put inside. Still don't think that's it. I'm gonna need that. Where is it? Oh, it's here.
I think that's not a good idea.
Q-tip.
Is that a perfect colour too?
Oh, that is a gorgeous colour.
Is that
I think that's jelly colour.
Yeah.
I just need to get it the same colour.
Then 2 drops. Or no, that was 3 drops. 3 drops. The 3. Do it 3. 3 times. You have to do it 3 times.
I did it 4 times.
Did it come out good? No, one more. I'm gonna use red a little bit. Okay, that's just. And then some little bit of brown.
I know strawberry colour is like more red.
I'm going to do it one time. I got red and black, so they mix together and they make a colour.
Okay, I think this is the colour that we need. Where is it? This is brown. There you go, just twist that back on there.
This is the perfect colour ever.
Is it? Then we're going to grab our activator. Just literally add like 2 drops or something like that. And start stirring with the tiny spoon.
This is the perfect colour ever. From the slime.
Alice, that's not how you make slime.
But that's how I do it.
Alice, that's not even mixing.
That is mixing.
There you go. That will be enough
That is mixing.
for the whole slime.
Getting past to me. The activator you can't see because it's so much. You can pass to me.
Okay,
That's the
I'll pour in the most that you need, that much.
Okay, you just poured.
I just don't mix like that because it's not even mixing.
Yes, it is.
And look, my one's turning out really great.
Stop it because that is mixing.
Alice, you have to hold the bowl.
Oh, I think that's the perfect colour ever.
Yeah, I think this is 2. Look at that.
Can you do it for me?
Just stir it. Like yogurt. It's small and it's good.
Yeah, it's red gel. Look.
It's like jelly kind of
Yeah,
consistency.
it has to be gel. That's why.
Okay, We will come back in 3, 2, 1. Boom! Our slimes are ready. I think I'm the winner. We don't know that. Alice, now grab your spoon and put the jelly in the little box thingy. Grab the spoon, slide it in.
No, because that's to try it.
I don't care.
But then you don't have a spoon.
I have a spoon. Let's just clean it. I just put it in with my hands. And look at this beautiful jelly.
Look at my beautiful
Look at the colour
jelly.
of the jelly.
I think I'm the winner because look at my slime. I think I'm the winner. So let's open the box.
Jelly up. Yeah, I'm the winner. Let's see. Don't know. Yours is a bit too dark. And mine's like the perfect colour. Let's open it and see.
And let's try it.
Yeah, with our spoons. Let's first see. That's definitely my colour. Let's see. Look at that. That's brown. Red. Okay, I'm going to try the jelly.
I'm gonna try too. If that's too much.
Where did that go?
They went under your chair. Better go for our next one.
Okay, Alice, just do this.
I just tried the glue.
Ow!
You tried it down your breath.
I didn't even taste it. What? How did I just skunk it in there? It's actually pretty good. Subscribe and click the bell. Bye!